What if I told you that the difference between your 9-to-5 grind and a 100K business is sitting right in front of you, on your screen? Imagine this. In just 30 days, you could have a business generating income while you sleep, all thanks to AI. No big budget, no complicated skills, and no massive team. Just smart tools and a step-by-step plan that anyone can follow. But here's the catch. You need to know exactly how to do it. In this video, I'm revealing everything. The tools I used, the strategies I followed, and the mistakes I avoided. Stick around, because if you skip even a second, you'll miss the one tip that could turn this into your reality. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be running to grab these AI tools and build something extraordinary. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. Because this might just be the most life-changing 20 minutes you'll ever watch. Let's get started. The problem: why businesses fail. Before we jump into the solutions, let's talk about the problem. Why do most businesses fail? The answer is simple. Most people run out of resources, don't know where to start, or waste time on inefficient processes. They spend hours doing tasks manually, get stuck in analysis paralysis, and give up before they even see results. Now, imagine having a tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Whether it's brainstorming ideas, designing, marketing, or scaling, that's what AI is here for. It's not some sci-fi fantasy. It's the most practical and powerful tool for entrepreneurs today. Step 1. Finding a profitable business idea with AI. The first step to building a business is finding a profitable idea. But instead of sitting around waiting for inspiration to strike, I used AI. I opened ChatGPT and asked, what are 5 trending problems people are willing to pay for in 2025? In seconds, it gave me actionable ideas. Online education platforms, subscription-based fitness models, AI-powered customer support solutions, personalized content creation services, eco-friendly product sourcing. I chose an idea based on my interests and skills. Insert business example. But here's the trick, don't overthink it. Let AI guide you to an idea that aligns with your goals and the market demand. Step 2. Building the foundation. Once I had my business idea, the next step was building the foundation. This included branding, setting up a website, and creating professional online presence. And guess what? I didn't hire anyone. AI tools made it so easy. For the logo, I used Midjourney. In less than 10 minutes, I had multiple design options that looked professional. Then I used Canva to create social media graphics and banners. For the website, I used Webflow. I asked ChatGPT to write my website copy, and it gave me clear, engaging content tailored to my target audience. No coding, no design skills, and no headaches. AI took care of it all. Step 3. Marketing with AI. With the foundation set, it was time to get customers. Marketing is where most entrepreneurs struggle, but with AI, it became my secret weapon. I used Jasper and Copy.ai to write ad copy and email campaigns. These tools generated persuasive content that converted leads into customers. For social media, I turned to AdCreative.ai, which created high-converting Instagram and Facebook ads in minutes. I also used AI to schedule posts and engage with my audience. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite made managing multiple platforms a breeze. The result? Hundreds of clicks and inquiries every single day. Step 4. Scaling with automation. Once the customers started rolling in, the real challenge was scaling the business. And this is where automation became a game changer. I used Zapier to connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks, like sending order confirmations, follow-up emails, and even tracking payments. Instead of spending hours on admin work, I had AI handling everything seamlessly in the background. Notion AI helped me organize my workflow and track my goals. Every task, deadline, and idea was managed in one place, making scaling fast and stress-free. With AI, I was able to focus on growth rather than getting bogged down by day-to-day tasks. Results and lessons learned. Now, let's talk results. While I'm still working towards that 100K milestone, the progress has been incredible. Using these AI tools, I was able to save hours of time, attract paying customers, and create a business model that's scalable and efficient. The biggest lesson I've learned? You don't have to do everything yourself. AI allows you to think smarter, not harder. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7, but at a fraction of the cost. If I can do it, so can you. All it takes is the willingness to learn and the courage to take action. So what's your next step? If you're ready to transform your ideas into reality, start exploring the AI tools I mentioned today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more actionable content. And don't forget to download my free guide to Insert Freebie Idea, e.g., Top 10 AI Tools for Entrepreneurs, to help you get started. Let me know in the comments. What's the first AI tool you're going to try? Let's build something amazing together.